Hey everyone, in this video I'll be telling you how to drive car in the street trip game. So first of all, let's enter into the game. Once you enter into the game, guys, you have to assemble your car first. So need to open the door. Let's open this door as well. Now this is our car and we are going to drive this car. So to drive we need to first of all assemble all the parts of the car. So like these are the doors and location has been changed. So just need to grab it. To grab, just press F and just assemble all the doors first. So just press F. Similarly, you have to assemble all the uh, doors of the car. Just place it over here. Now the third door. So when you fix all the doors of the car in this game, now we need to fix all the wheels. So just pick one by one and just fix it. Place it over here and pick the second one as well and just place it. And so when I played this game last time, it was little different. The room that this garage was different. And now let's place the fourth one as well. Not placed perfectly. This is for now. Now once we're done with this, guys, now we need to put all the other parts as well. Like this is dipper, just put it in the front. So now next let's pick the next one, place it here. Now we need to use radiator and engine. Let's fix engine first. Just what the hell, I need to drop it first and just press F to displace it. Now let's put the radiator. It has to be also placed in the front. You can see the press F to place it, just place it. Now we need to cover it by its cover. Where is the cover? Is it a cover? Yeah. Now we need to place its I don't know what is it called. Let me go up stair. Is there the place? The other parts? What is it? I don't know. Oh, I can purchase the gun as well. Oh, this is also another car. Where is the part? Where is that? Where is the cover of this part? I'm not being able to find it. There used to be a room in the basement, but I not think. Yeah, this is the thing. The color has changed. It's matching with the floor, that's why I'm not being able to recognize it. Now we are almost done. We need to just fill the fuel and we are done to go, done to drive. Now once we guys are done with this, and now we need to fill the fuel, but before that we can also clean our car as well. Let me clean the car. Where's the scrubber? Use the scrubber. Is it a polish? Was it it? What is it? Let me grab it. This. I think it can be used to clean the car because the car has lots of rust. I don't know what is the purpose of this. Yeah, that's it. So now guys, we need to fill the fuel. Let's keep it here and just let's fill the fuel. So we can fill the fuel up to 9 liter in our car, and it's already open. So just press left mouse button to fill the car with fuel. Yeah, it's full. Now we can attach it over the top. What is happened? Just yeah, just put it here. Press Z to attach it. I just made my car fine. Now just grab it and place it. Now guys, we are ready to go, and now this is also. Now let's guys drive a car. So this is how you can first of all fix all the parts in the car, and now we need to open the door to start our car. Fine, and press E to sit. I need to plug in the charger first. So now once just close the door and pull down the handbrake. Now this is how you can drive a car, and just press R to start engine. Can you hear it? Let me increase the volume if I can. And let's. What happened to it? Now we can start our car. Fine. So this is how you can drive your car. You can use the common keys to drive any vehicle in any game, which is A W SD. So let's drive it, guys. Driving is quite easy, and here you can press the I to see. Again, I got this balance. So yeah, that's it, guys. This is how you can drive a car in just a trip. Hope you like it. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. Let's go back to our place and let's assemble our second car.